Today we're going to show you how to change the battery in a Nest thermostat remote sensor. First you just pull it off the wall where it sits, and next you have to take this screw out. I'm ill prepared, so I am using a handy dandy quarter. Just turn this counterclockwise until the cover comes off, and there's your battery. This is a CR2 battery, which you can purchase online or anywhere, pretty much. I am using an Amazon Basics lithium. Then all you do is slide this back in like that one was, and put your cover back on. There's a little lip here on this where the top goes. I think you can see it right there. You want to make sure that this piece here lines up with that. Putting the cover back on, or else it won't sit straight. Once it's on, use your handy dandy quarter to tighten it down. And that's it. Good luck, guys.